Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So what we have here is we have a raw door. So what I did was I inset the hinges, top and bottom, and now we need to put the hole for the knob. So the easiest way to do this is first of all mount the door, and then we need to figure out where where the hole is going to be. So this does come with instructions to make it easier. But what we'll do now is we'll look at material and tools. So this is our material and tools list. So we have our knob. I have my increment level, a hole saw with a 2 1/8 bit, pencil, 7/8 bit, and then a cordless drill. Guys, this is all that we need for material and for tools for this job. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is mark it. That's what this pencil mark is. Mark it right in the middle here. So we know what elevation to put the hole for our knob to be. If this doesn't line up, this is not going to work. Alright, so this is our instructions here. So they do have a template, and it says here to fold on the very edge of the door. So this will go right here. So what I'll do is I'll cut it out, and then we'll put the template onto the door. Guys, if you miss where the hole should be, this is going to throw everything out of whack and it'll be extremely difficult to try to fix. So take the extra few moments and plan your job out accordingly so you don't run into any issues. Alright, so we have our pencil mark there, so we'll take our level. So we have our template. The template will go on the very corner. Make sure that the line on this side and on this side line up properly. So we'll take our 2 1/8 hole saw. So make sure you have earplugs and safety glasses on. So we have the hole for our pilot bit. Now we're going to drill from this side. If you drill all the way through from one side, you're going to break up the very edge. I have talked about this in another quick tip of the week video. Okay, so you can see the gap here. So we look at the very top and the very bottom, which means that this door is very badly bowed. This is what happens when you order online and they deliver instead of you choosing your own stuff. But with that in mind, we got to work with this anyway. All right, so this is our template. So this door is 1 3/8. So we're gonna go to this right mark. So I made the pencil mark here. I used the wrong one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to move the mark 1/4 inch over, and then with a 7/8 drill bit, I will drill the end here. All right, so we have our 7/8 drill bit. I'll drill it right here. All right, this is our latch. So the bevel end will go towards the doorway. So it'll push in like this. So it goes like this. Guys, if you do this backwards like this, it's not going to work. So put that in. What I'll do is I'm going to put the knob in. I'll put the whole thing together before I screw this in. Guys, make sure that everything is going to work before you start drilling holes into the door, because you only get one shot at this. Okay, so this is the outside. It has the hole in the middle. Guys, make sure that you have because this is a wing style, make sure it's pointed towards the hinges, otherwise you've done this backwards. And now the other side that has the push lock. So it goes like this, and now I'm going to screw the knob in through the backside here. Alright, so a Phillips screwdriver, which I forgot in the material and tools list. All right, so we're going to put the plate on. Guys, this has already been inset. If your door frame is not inset like this, you're going to have to. Otherwise, the metal here is going to be sticking too far out. But this has already been inset. All right, so now I'm going to put the 2 screws here. Make sure that you shut the door first to make sure that it's actually going to work before you screw everything in. It works. This door will have to be pushed in a little bit just because of the bow. But the last thing will be the 2 screws, and then this job is done. Okay, so I put the 2 screws in. Give it a push, it closes. Hit the button. And everything works. When it comes to installing a knob in a raw door, use a level, take your time, make sure everything is good to go. The pencil here will be washed off. The end here will have to be painted because I have to cut the door down a little bit. But everything looks good. This is a raw door that had no hole for the knob or for either of the hinges. And now we have a functional door. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.